Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best sling bag for travel that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best sling bag for travel. Storage bags have been around for as long as probably the first humans, in different form of course. These storage bags are now being used in different capacities for a whole lot of purposes, and there is no way you can get along with your daily life without having one of these bags. We are talking about backpacks in particular here, which probably the most popular ones. Number 5. Libra Canvas Messenger Bag Sling Bag Crossbody Bag. This stylish bag combines modern style with high-quality accents, careful construction, and durable hardware to create a timeless but modern style anyone can appreciate. Main features: soft and durable wash canvas. Ultra comfortable. Weight 710 grams. Number 4. Rebo Gear Tactical Sling Bag Rover Sling Backpack Small. Tactical sling bag with large Velcro pad in the concealed main compartment and the back compartment. A pistol range bag for 1 to 2 handguns. Main features: comfortable shoulder strap. Made of durable 600D polyester. Water resistant. Number 3. Versatile Canvas Sling Bag Travel Backpack Wear Over Shoulder. A fully lined main compartment for clothes, books, camera, shoes, and more, as well as a pocket that can fit a small tablet. Main features: made of durable and polyester canvas. 100% lifetime guarantee. Water resistant. Number 2. Outdoor Master Sling Bag Crossbody Shoulder Chest Turban. Versatile backpack with room for all your essentials, perfect for urban, travel and outdoor, and as carry-on luggage. Equipped with several smart pockets. Main features: water bottle holder. Hidden anti-theft pocket. Lightweight design. Number 1. Khaki Sling Bag Backpack for Hiking Camping. A lined front zippered compartment for quick, easy access to small items. Another compartment with pen sleeves, mesh zip pocket, credit card slots, and key clip/hook. Main features: adjustable padded strap. Zipper closure. Nylon lining. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.